The Delta Hotel Orlando Celebration is an affordable Marriott brand property that is just outside the Walt Disney World Resort. Recently converted from the former Grand Orlando Resort, this 718-room hotel is a good value for the price and is just minutes from the Disney theme parks. In this video, we are going to give you a tour of the property, the amenities, and our room. So stay with us to find out what we think about the Delta Hotel. The hotel is very close to the Disney theme parks, and it took us about 8 minutes to get to the Magic Kingdom toll booths. While we're making the trip, let's take a ride on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. There are 2 outdoor pools at the Delta Hotel. The first is a resort-style pool with a rock grotto and water slide, while the other is a more traditional pool. There is a poolside bar located between the pools, which was not open during our visit. The fitness center has a fair amount of cardio and strength training equipment. The large lobby building the check-in desk, plenty of seating, and 3 food and beverage options. The food and beverage venues are what you would expect from a hotel in this category. We had both breakfast and dinner at the hotel. Both meals were a fair value for the money. We have stayed at the Delta Hotel twice since January 2023. During both visits, the recently renovated rooms were clean and well appointed. Hotel rates vary during the time of year but range from about $100 per night to just below $200 per night. Learn more about resort fees and parking charges in our detailed blog post. There are a number of things we liked about the Delta Hotel as well as a few things that we did not like. The hotel is an excellent value for the price and is located close to Walt Disney World. There is also theme park transportation as part of the resort fee. We thought the resort fee was a little higher for what you get and wasn't fond of the nightly parking charge. Overall, the Delta Hotel is a nice place to stay and an affordable alternative to the on-site hotels at Disney. Click the link in the description below to make reservations and learn more about the Delta Hotel.